Hello everyone, welcome back to this brand new video. Today we're just gonna develop a rather simple bot. It's just a simple SMA bot. That the whole idea of this is to show you guys how our library BinaryOptionToolsV2 works. So right, here you can just go to the examples, and you can go to let's say by example we can do the get balance and copy this. So yeah, now, and this BinaryOptionToolsV2 is our latest library that supports PocketOption. So to install this library, you first want to create a Python virtual environment. So you just input this command, and yeah, this should be good to go. So here you can just change the your Python interpreter to the .env, and well, let's restart the terminal here. Okay, so to get these to get the library, you're gonna install it. You can just go to the GitHub repo, and it's gonna tell you the command here to install. This is to install the latest version. Now, if you want to, sometimes the pip version might not be the latest one, so you can install it like this. But we actually want to get the latest, the latest version, the version we like the pre-release version, which you can just go here in the wheels folder, and it's gonna be this file. You just click on it and click on download raw file. Then you just wanna take this file and put it here. Now, right, in my case, I have to rename it, and it cannot be like that too. It has to be this exact name. In your case, it's probably gonna be fine. So just wanna pip install and just type binary and just click tab. Is gonna do it for you, and so you can install it. That's it. So well, so now to get the it's gonna ask you the SSID. To get the SSID, you can just go to the website, the PocketOption website. As well, here I have a little bit of demo money. I'm just going to inspect. You want to right click and click inspect element, then go to the network tab. Then you're probably going to be in all. Just go to where it says WS or socket. It can be all socket or WebSocket or whatever. Just click on it and then restart the website. Then you're gonna have these three ones. I think you want to go for the last one and click on messages. You're gonna see all of these messages. You just want to scroll to the top, and you'll see this message that says all auth and then session. You just want to copy that message, and now you can run this, and you can run it in dedicated terminal. You're gonna ask for your SSID. Just click on that, and it's gonna load, and we have to wait, and done. And it says 78.85, and we have 78.85. Now we can play around with it. We can go to the examples, and we can the check win, which is basically it places an order, and it's gonna here it places an order. And we can play with this, we can just do 5 maybe, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, and it's just gonna connect, gonna place the orders, and then it's gonna check if it won or it lost the trade. So well, I'm not 100% sure though if this specific version supports the 5 seconds. We had to because PocketOptions have this official time frames, sometimes they don't work, but yeah, 5 seconds, you see. So you know, you can see here that one it won, another one it lost. So as you can see here, result loss, result win. So you know, it gives you all of this extra information that you can, you know, sometimes it's really important to get all of this information, but you can really, what matters is, you know, result win, which is, you know, you can just get it by getting by data and result, which by data is basically what it returns the check win function. Okay, so in this case, so now I'm just gonna, you know, go ahead and build the bot now. So basically you want to, you know, you want to start, you know, maybe importing, you want to like import that. It's, you know, we're just gonna use that library. You want to make sure to import it and to install it. Then yeah, we're just gonna, you know, start by creating a class, yeah, PocketOptionBot, just initialize it. And yeah, right, I mean, first we might want to use like amount. We're just gonna do it to equals 1. Then self.symbol. Now the thing is, in this case we want to just use the OTC. If you want to make sure, like if you don't know what the asset's name is, you can just go to BinaryOptionTools and go where it says data. Where it says data, you can just, you know, this is, you know, this is all the OTC assets, but you know, they're not, some of them don't necessarily work. So this is all the tested. So this one, we know that it works, you know, so you can just, you know, search for them here. And this is like the non-OTC, but we're not gonna use this because right now in my case is the weekend, so the market is closed, so we just want to use OTC. And you know, we can just add another like variable just to do like martingale, or just gonna do steps equals 4. So we just want to, yeah, start by calculating the indicators. So we're gonna have two indicators, I mean two SMAs. First we're gonna have we're gonna just do, oh wait, maybe, yeah, I'm just gonna return something, so I'm just gonna do this SMA. I don't know, we can just start by doing, you know, fast SMA. We can just do it, you know, yeah, let's say 5, that's perfect. And you know, SMA indicator, you know. So now basically what you want to do is if, you know, fast SMA, like the last one, is you know, is bigger than the last, you know, slow SMA, and you know, and saying this is optional, you know, like to do this fast SMA, yeah, why not? But you know, this is optional, just, you know, in fact this is a really simple bot just to show you guys, so I'm just gonna you know, do it like this. Oops. Okay, so now what you want to do is, you know, def main bot self. Okay, so here it's gonna be the main function. So you want to have the, well, maybe we want to put the SSID here. SSID. Okay, so here I'm just gonna start by, you know, initializing the client, so we can just do client equals, yeah, PocketOption async, which only really requires the SSID. then we can, you know, just do a sync IO sleep 5 seconds. And yeah, so now we want to, you know, to actually get, you know, there's two ways to get the candles. We can just use get candles, which I don't recommend using get candles, because get candles, you know, we've actually lately been having some issues with it, but you know, you're calling the PocketOption API all the time, and you know, it's like, you know, somehow it can result on a, like, the PocketOption can ban your account, and that's why we highly recommend SimpleSmaBot. This is, well, what I really recommend using. So you can just, you know, yeah, you know what, let me show you how this works on another file. So yeah, this, I'm just gonna remove logs, we don't really need it. So, you know, it's 5 seconds, so, you know, in the time, it's the 5 second time frame. And so yeah, I'm just gonna start this bot. You can see that, you know, it asks for the SSID, so I'm just gonna copy it. And so now it's just gonna, normally it's just gonna start like printing, you know, the price, you know, it has to connect, and it's gonna start each 5 seconds putting, you know, hi, blah blah blah, and you know, it's you know, the same price, right? I mean, it's, you know, giving you each second. So, you know, if I go to S5, you can see, like, you know, how it's pretty much the same, or I mean, I strongly believe it's the same, like, you know, 1.152, 1.152, you know, it's the same, you know, you can see it's the exact same, and it's in real time. So what I really like about, you know, subscribe symbol is that we're making sure we're using the exact same, you know, the exact same data as PocketOption. So, you know, you just want to like copy this. I'm just gonna stop it. You know, you just want to copy this and write client, yep, and this has to be async, yeah, time delta, oops, okay, great, perfect. So now, oops, so okay, great. Shoot. Now we want to keep going, just, you know, now we just have the calculate SMA. So, you know what, we should do it in the stream. Well, because now that I think about it, maybe we shouldn't use a function, you know, because we, oh yeah, maybe, yeah, that's actually perfect. Yeah, I'm just gonna use like signal equals candle. No, I'm just gonna do if signal equals call. Yeah, but you know, calendar by let's see, just going to async check win. Okay, so we're just gonna, I'm just gonna copy this to be real. It's basically this that we want. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, just leave it there. Damn. Perfect. So yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, change this to self dot symbol amount is gonna do self.amount. Yeah, I'm just gonna trade in 5-second candles. And then we want to do that by data by data by data and sell data and just perfect. Okay, perfect. So now we just want to do the check win. So wait. Sorry, I got a bit confused. We just want buy. We're just buying. So in buy data, we just want to do buy data and what was the result? No, result. Okay, perfect. Now we just want to do if buy data equals loss, fourth step in range martingale amount of amount. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Yeah, just if buy data, this just would go there. No, sorry, I would actually go there. So yeah, basically the cool stuff about this is that we would just do this, but you know what, to make it even more accurate, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna do it. I'm just not gonna do that. I'm just gonna not do 4-step. Directly gonna just do this and just amount times 2. Amount times 2. That's it. And self.amount. Self.amount equals self. Yeah, same thing. Okay, so now you want to do the same thing for LDF signal put placing order, blah blah blah. Yeah, same thing. And and then we just want to here do a break. Just because if it's a draw or something happens to the code, just break it. Break. Okay, let's see. So I mean, I'm just gonna go ahead and try this. I mean, I'm sure it's not gonna work, but I just wanna this ID PocketOption and yeah, let's just try it. I don't think it's really gonna work, but we might as well just try it. Eva message okay, let's see. Okay. People self-calculate in candle. Oh yeah. So we want to actually get candle. We want to. Wow. Let me see. Candle. Not sure if this is actually gonna. I don't know if it's a damn, I don't know if it's a dict or I don't know if it's a dict or it's just oh wait. So it is. Ah, wait, no, yeah, I understand. It is a tick with JSON, right? Okay. So, where is this? Ah, okay, so I have to transform it to def. You know what? I think there was a example here where I think the get candles where we actually transform it. Let's see, it's from date. There we go. Okay, yeah, we just do candles. Yeah, just this. Perfect. So I'm just gonna, where am I getting the candles? You know, I'm just gonna for candle in stream. Okay. Just gonna do candles, and then we want here candles PD. Here just candle. Just candle. We want to import pandas as PD. Okay, so I think now it should actually work. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Okay, if using all score values, you must pass an index. Let's see. Traceback most recent call. If using all score. Damn, I'm getting a pandas error now. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask AI because I actually have no idea what's going on. I'm just gonna ask AI. I actually have no idea why I'm getting this error, but I can see the error is trying to see the issue. The problem is on line 31, where you're trying to create a data frame from a single candle dictionary. It's expecting he to okay. Wait, what did he do? Candle faced candle faced app, and there we go. Okay, I see what's going on. Okay. Just gonna copy a message. Boom. Okay, great. Looks like it's working. I'm gonna put SMA here just to see if whenever we get a signal. No, where's moving average? Just moving average, I guess. Moving average again. Okay. SMA, I think, I can't remember. 5 and 20. 5 and 20. Oh. Yeah, I mean, the fun thing about this is that it's definitely gonna be pretty accurate, but it's gonna take forever to get a candle, to get a... well, I think we're gonna get a signal here. Oh, damn. We got it, but it's not placing any trades. That's just perfect. Oh, it did place a trade. Didn't realize. Okay, that's definitely a loss. Then, I mean, yeah, I think, let me see, I think I'm putting something to delay, you know. I think I should maybe get that lower. Yeah, it just stopped. It didn't continue. I will need to do like a while loop, you know, like, oh, because I'm putting a break. Well, I think I know what I'm just gonna do. I'm just gonna try and just gonna put all of this into a try and then accept keyboard interrupt, and so now we can actually just place your SSID. Oh wait, I actually want to try something. I'm actually going to put this in a lower, like 2. I want to see if that's gonna work. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna do really anything, but I just want to test it out. I just want to, you know, see what's gonna happen. And you know, I should definitely just, you know, you guys, I'm gonna put this code and you guys can just play around with it. I'm gonna put this into 10. I just want more signals right now, so yeah, and we should definitely change this into 10. Okay, so we should be getting a signal pretty soon. I think now we should get like a signal. No, maybe not. Okay, but let's wait. Okay, so I think we should be getting the signal pretty soon now. Damn, yeah, we're getting a lot of candles right now. Okay, we should be getting the signal soon. No. Ta. Got an unexpected argument. Direction. What was it? Oh yeah. Why did I put direction? Sell. Okay. Now let's do this. Okay. All right. Let's wait for a signal. I don't know. Kind of really bearish market right now. Okay, I think we should be getting a signal soon. Damn, 5 seconds is crazy. I mean, the 5-second candles is just crazy. Bro, why didn't we get any signal? Let me see something. Oh. Okay. Oh, and it closed again. Oh, I kept that break here. I'm just gonna remove breaks because we don't need them. But yeah, okay, guys. Okay, basically this, you know, I think you guys understand. I mean, I'll be making more videos about, you know, just how to use this, you know, library in general. You can definitely you should definitely join the Discord community. I mean, I'll just be putting the the bot. I'll just, the link, everything's gonna be in the description. But yeah, I mean, this is, basically this is it. This is BinaryOptionToolsV2. We do have other projects, this is our GitHub, ChipaDevTeam. We have, a lot of projects that we've been working on here. We have, this Axiom trade. Oh, looks like it just made another order. Oh, I lost it. Oh, it made another one. And it won. Oh, it made another one. And it won. Okay, yeah. You can see it just got bugged. The entire something's going on with the bot, but just whatever. I mean, it's not. I think it's because I removed the break, so it's just keep going. I never put a reset, so it's just gonna keep going up, and maybe we should just stop it at this point. But yeah, anyways, funny, we made money. Anyways. Looking at this, so we have Axiom Trade, which Axiom Trade is a Solana project, and we have Binomo API. I'm sure you know it, and we have other like BinaryOptionToolsV1, which I don't really recommend using because it's the old version. You can just use the new version here. And then we have PocketOption API. Just Chipa. We have some projects. You should definitely check them out. Yeah, but you can also definitely check our services website. It's basically shop@chipatrade.com. We have different bots and that you can check out, and we have services like we can create your bot and just stuff. We also have chipatrade.com, which is our website. ChipaTrade, it's a Solana based exchange, so you can trade Solana tokens here. Right now it's pretty awesome. Like we're waiting to get more clients. It's still in development. Soon we're doing a pre-sale of Paragon Pool, which is our token. We'll be launching soon. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'll be posting more videos here because I think I can do some great tutorials here. I'll be doing some live streaming, so you guys can learn how to make these bots for these different platforms. I would love this to become like a place where you can build bots. That's of course why we're also building the Chipa editor, which is editorbeta.chipatrade.com. You can check it out. Just as you can see, it's still in development, but you can just I think I have a account, just a test account. You can just start building. You have all of these things. You can just you can put this, and you can build a strategy, and then you can execute it. Now, of course, it doesn't work because this is it's it's whatever. You can get price feed and just connect it. I don't think it will work because I have to add more stuff, but strategy must have at least one action. But yeah, you have a dashboard. I mean, you have a lot of stuff, right? I mean, you should definitely check it out. But yeah, anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.